Kasama ko si Bong Nebriha. Ayan. Inawardan ako dyan. Dalawa kami. Eto, nung inawardan ako ng dakilang lahi. As most outstanding Filipino philanthropist. Gawad Pilipino. Ayan o, ayan o. Ayan. Baka sabihin nyo, Gawad Pilipino yan. Most outstanding Filipino of the most outstanding Filipino philanthropist. Yan. Dalawa inaward ko dyan. At ambassador ng Gawad Pilipino. So, ikaw makagago, wala ka nito. Oo. Hindi ka po pwede magkaroon ng ganito. Oo. Kasi nga, ano ka, weak Bengali.
Our next awardee I'd like to call is Dr. Francis Leo Antonio Marcos. He has been awarded Most Inspiring Filipino Philanthropist, a pandemic hero during the pandemic. To receive his PhD in Humanities major in Social Services and Community Development. Congratulations once again.
47 kami binigyan ng honoris causa.
Our next awardee is Dr. Belfort A. Marcelo. To receive his PhD in Humanities major in Social Services and Community Development. A businessman, graduate of Bachelor degree in Computer Education at Universidad de Manila, Master in Public Management and Governance.
Puro mga malalaking tao gumraduate dyan. Alam nyo ba ibig sabihin ng honoris causa? Ayan yan yung mga kasabay kong gumraduate, matatanda na. Ayan ayan yung mga kasabay kong gumraduate. Ayan ang dami namin
Congratulations once again.
Mga classmate ko, puro Jonda na. Wala ka niyan makagago kasi wala ka namang gago ka lang naman eh. Ikaw yung weak Bengali.